Even if you don't like Bael or wood apple, you can still enjoy this refreshing Bael ka Sharbat. Hello friends, welcome you back to her channel. Today, let us make Bael ka Sharbat with Jaggery. But since it is so good for digestive health and rich in nutrients, it makes an excellent summer coolant. Let us make summer special Bael ka Sharbat. In this case, you will need to break the Bael apart. You will need to pound it against a hard surface. That's it. Next, we will need to remove the pulp with a spoon. It is easier. Now you can add chilled water to it. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will be a little easier to separate the pulp and the fibers from the juices. You will need a strainer in that case, along with a hand beater or even a spoon to mash the pulp, separate the threads and seeds. And please do not attempt to do this process in a mixer grinder, because in that case all the seeds will be ground along with the pulp, and that will give you a very bitter sharbat, and we don't want our Bael ka sharbat to be bitter, right? So don't attempt it in a mixer grinder or blender. You will need to do this process with hands as I am showing. Now all that will be left on the strainer will be the fibers and the seeds. Next, you will need to add jaggery powder or sweetener of choice. I have taken only 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder for this amount of drink, since my Bael was not too sweet. So the amount of sweetener depends on how sweet your Bael is. Next, you will need 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. And since I buy black salt crystals, I love to pound it in my mortar and pestle, and you will need just a little amount of it. Just a hint of it will do. We don't want it to be salty. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. This will add flavor to our Bael ka Sharbat with Jaggery. And this is homegrown lemon that I have brought from my mom's home in Patiala. And you will need only a little amount of it. Half teaspoon of lime juice will do. You don't want our Bael ka Sharbat to be overly lemony. It will have a mix of flavors. And next we will be adding mint leaves. For flavor, add ice cubes to the glass, and your Bael ka Sharbat with Jaggery is ready. This is not too sweet, this is not too salty. This is just amazingly refreshing summer drink or summer cook. Chill it if you want and give it a good mix before serving. I hope you enjoy this process of making Bael ka Sharbat at home. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Take care until next time. Bye bye. See you soon.